And good morning, folks. Just a quick update. The parts, getting parts out here to the middle of nowhere to fix Beachy is, I don't know if frustration can accurately portray the feeling. The original parts that we had ordered to repair the beechwood were supposed to be here this past Tuesday. They never showed up. So contacted the shipper, and this isn't the shipper's problem. This isn't the parts house issue. This issue has literally been carriers, FedEx, UPS. First one was FedEx. Said it would be here by 4:30 on Tuesday. Never showed. Then, calling the parts house, saying, hey, the parts aren't here. Well, they turn around, they say, call us Thursday morning, Thursday morning, and if they're not there on Wednesday, then we'll ship out a new set. Well, on Wednesday, I got an email from them that said that they were shipping them out, a new set of parts. Some from Reno, some from Texas. So what do we get? This time they're on UPS, due to be delivered yesterday by 7 p.m. UPS shows up with half my delivery. So we got the gasket kit with no push rods. So I called the parts house again. They're like, well, according to UPS, the push rods were scanned as going on the truck. I said, well, they didn't come off the truck. And the UPS driver, I watched her go through it. Now, either they wound up in another box or something like that. They got delivered somewhere else, but I'm telling you, they're not here. And then the build-up. Well, maybe they'll be back by 7 p.m. still. This is about 3 in the afternoon. Nope. So now I have to call them again for them to ship out the push rods, which come from Texas. Well, we'll make sure it's a Saturday delivery, Mr. Coleman. Okay. This is frustrating. But God has something for me here. It's the only reason that I can think. There's something that I'm not seeing, that He's keeping me here. He's keeping my team here. We just haven't seen it yet. Maybe we'll never know why God has decided to keep us stranded here for now. But we can't put the engine back together. Everything is cleaned up. Everything's waiting for the parts. And as soon as the parts get here, we can begin this walk again. My walk line is 25 miles east of here. We are running into issues. We're with expenses. We're going to be doing the Pony Express methods of picking up the post from people, what it is that their problems are, what they feel is wrong with this government. And we need people. People are what it takes to change government. There's just no other way to put it. We're not going to be doing it by sitting in one spot. We're not going to be doing it by sitting in the National Mall. That's not going to change the government. Makes people feel good to be doing that kind of stuff, but the problem is it doesn't move the needle. And so the only thing that can take government and show government exactly what it is they're doing wrong is people. So that's exactly why I'm doing this. I want across these 17 states that I'm walking, I want to see people. I want to see people get interested, get involved with the government, with understanding what the government's doing, get involved with understanding what the politicians are doing. I know more than half this country is upset with the way things are going. Let's change that. Let's get people to understand that they need to contact their representatives. But more to the point, we need to show that we're serious. And with all of you, I hope I have shown you that I am serious. Since February 21st, when I left my house, I barely have a week in my own bed. I'm serious about this. I've been to D.C., I've met with senators, I've met with congressmen, I've been to to Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Meeting with these people. Change comes from us, we the people. Get involved. Help us out. I'm not one for begging, so I won't. But I will tell you that we need donations to continue this movement east. We need to be able to fund this walk. Food, water, fuel. They're not big numbers, to be honest with you. So give where you can. Help us out. Go to GreyWolfWalk.com. You'll see exactly what it is we're trying to do here. I need volunteers. I need ambassadors in all 50 states to be able to pass out literature on what it is that we're doing. Get people involved to come from the states that I'm not walking through. And then let's let them know. Let's let those politicians know. Let's let government know. Let's go let government know that what they are doing is against the people. They aren't representing the people. And we are going to make change. And what will scare them into the understanding is when they see masses of people. When I came out of Adelanto, California, all those people up there on the waving flags on the bridges and the overpasses, that scared them. That really scared them. So don't give up, and don't give up hope. But we need to make change in this country, and we're not going to do it if you're sitting down and watching others. So let me tell you, show you how to do this. How to get this movement to grow. How to get the people involved. You. How do we get you involved? That's all I wanted to say this morning. We are going to be doing this walk. All the naysayers are saying, well, look, he's already given up. I haven't given up. We just have to fix this damn vehicle.
None was given up.
There is nobody giving up. No one on this team is giving up. Because there's still 16 more states to run through. There's still millions of people to reach. So help us do that. We'll get this done one way or the other. So I'm going to sign off for now. And I want to say God bless you and God bless the United States.